Hello everybody. Good morning. It's me Mamta Rana, your math teacher. Hope all you are fine. And today we are going to learn about plane figures for class 3. All students be ready. We read already in our previous class. Yes, triangle, quadrilateral, circle. Yes, they are the example of plane figures. Yes, and plane figures, they are called 2D figures also, and it has only length and breadth. Yes, triangles, rectangles, square, circle. Yes, they are the examples of plane figures, and it has only length and breadth. Okay, it has no height. Okay, this type of figures, they are made only, this type of figures only we can made in the plane surface area. Okay, they cannot stand on its height, so they are called plane figures. And today we are going to discuss about triangles. Okay, triangles. What is triangle? Today we are going to read about triangles. What is triangles? The definition of triangles, its features, okay, and how to draw the triangles, and its how to write the name of triangles, its sides, its vertex. Okay, so and triangle, this is also not new for you. Okay, in junior classes you already read about it. And look at here, this is the figure of triangle. Yes, and how to define the triangles? Yes, triangle is a closed plane figure which is bounded by 3 line segment. Okay, this is the figure which is closed. Okay, and this triangle, it is made in the plane surface area, so it is called plane figures. Okay, so this triangle is a plane figures, and it should be closed. Okay, not open, it should be closed. And to be a triangle we use their 3 line segment. Okay, here 1 line segment, 2 line segment, and 3 line segment. Okay, let's name them. Okay, A, B, C. Look, this is a triangle A, B, C. Okay, and it has 3 line segment. If we joined this 3 line segment to each other, and we got a closed figure, and that figure is called triangle. Okay, so and this triangle, it has 3 vertex. Yes, 3 points, 1, 2, 3, A point, B point, and C point. Okay, 3 points and 3 sides. This 1 side, 2 side, and 3 side. This 1 side, 2 side, and 3 sides. Okay, and it has 3 angles, 1 angle, 2 angle, and 3 angle. Yes, these are the features of triangle. Okay, and how to write the name of triangle? Naming of triangle. Naming of triangle. Okay, look at this triangle. Yes, this triangle is triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. If you read from the letter A, then its name is triangle ABC. If you start from this, then triangle BCA. BCA. Yes, like this also we can write the name, and or If we start from the C letter, then C A B. C A B. Okay, like this we can write the name of the triangle. Okay, we can start from A letter also, A B C. B also, then B C A. If we start from C, then C A B. Okay, and this is the notation. Yes, you have to write. You have to draw a small triangle sign and write ABC. Triangle ABC. Okay? And read is triangle ABC. Okay? And its sides. Okay. I told you triangle it has three sides. And what are they? This side, yes? AB side. Next, second side is BC side and third side is AC side. Okay, and vertices. Single is vertex and its plural form is vertices. Okay, and triangle it has three vertices. Yes, so A vertex, A point is a vertex, B point is B vertex and C point is C vertex. Okay, and the angles. How to write the name of angles of this triangle? And the angles are, yes, this is first angle, second angle and third angle. Yes, so angle A, angle B and angle C. Don't forget to write here the sign of angle. Okay, symbol of angle. Angle A, angle B, angle C. If you don't write this symbol of A angle, then it will be the vertex. Okay, so angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay. About triangles, and in next class we will about the quadrilaterals, and your homework is page number 14. Page number 14, do all. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, thank you class.